Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to transcribe iPhone voice memos. First method is using Rev Voice Recorder. Install Rev Voice Recorder from the App Store. Then open the Voice Memos app. Choose the memo. Tap the share icon. Go to More section and choose Rev Voice Recorder. Request transcription. Inside Rev, choose the recording that has been shared by tapping on it. Then tap on the arrow down. Then tap on AI Transcript. Choose Confirm Order. Red's professional service provides accurate transcriptions for a fee. Last method, using Voice Memos app. Open the Voice Memos app and start playing the memo. Tap on the waveform, then hit on the transcribe icon in the bottom left corner. The dictation feature will transcribe the spoken content into text. Additional tips: for long recordings, Otter AI or Rev is recommended for accuracy and convenience. Ensure you're in a quiet environment for the best results when using Apple Notes on dictation. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.